Have you been thinking, planning, plotting on how you can start your YouTube channel? What better time to start it than now? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in once again. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Reetahh and this is Tea Spill with Reetahh, where I talk about things concerning health, lifestyle and Christianity. So you're very much welcome. Please don't forget to like my video and share and subscribe if this is the kind of content you like or would enjoy. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about the necessary things that you would need to know before starting your YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is gadgets. You need gadgets to actually start up this YouTube journey, and the first thing you need is your phone. You need a smartphone, and it doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. You can use it for your recording. As far as the phone has a camera, it's fine, it's good to go. Just make sure that the phone actually has enough space to take the length of the videos that you're making. That's what I'm suffering right now because my phone is 64 gig and the quality in which I shoot my videos is a high quality, so it kind of takes a whole lot of space. So make sure that your phone has enough memory space to take the length of your videos. But if you want to start out big, which is not a bad thing, you can go for cameras. Another gadget you're going to need is a tripod stand. When you're recording, you need your phone to be balanced, the same level with where you're sitting or standing or talking and all, and you need something to hold your phone. So you need a tripod stand, but I don't use this. I use a ring light. You can also use a ring light. A ring light kind of kills two birds with one stone because it gives you lighting and also helps with holding your phone while you're recording. So I use a ring light because it's more convenient for me and I think it's better. You don't need to get a super big ring light. You can get a small one for starters, and as time goes on you can look for something else, something better. Also, you can get a microphone and we're good to start up your YouTube channel. Next I'm talking about is lighting. So for you to have a good video, you need good lighting. It doesn't matter the kind of phone you're using. Lighting is very key in making your videos. If you don't have a ring light, you can use a natural source of light. Make sure that where you're staying is a well ventilated area, has windows, and lighting comes in from those areas, or you sit by your window facing the light and making sure the light actually reflects on you. As for me, I use ring light, I use NEPA, I use my natural source of light, so I make sure that the lighting is there so that the videos can come out really nice. Next is editing. So now you've recorded your videos, now it's time to edit that video. And to do this, you have editing apps that you can use like InShot, iMovie, CapCut, Canva. Canva is mostly for thumbnails. Use thumbnails to attract viewers to your video. You can use Canva to do your thumbnails. You can also use InShot to do your thumbnails. So any of these editing apps, you can use them for cutting your videos, because trust me, the way I record my videos is not the way I present it to you. If I'm to present to you what I actually record, you would leave YouTube for me because the length is always here and then I end up cutting it to here. Like, my videos are always very long, but then I make a lot of mistakes, as well as every other YouTuber that you see, because nobody's perfect. So we all make mistakes and we try to cut out those mistakes so that you don't see that, so we can present something good for you to watch. So you need apps to do all those things for you, to cut it, to make things more spicy. Editing actually takes a lot of work, to be honest. So you have to be very, very patient if you want to do it yourself, and also be very creative. But for people that don't have time on their hands and they're really busy with other things in their head, they give people their content, their videos, to edit it for them and pay them for their services. So for now, just get conversant with the apps. Start learning how to edit using short videos and just see how things go. You don't need to be a pro to use these apps. It's very, very easy and you can get used to it. And some of these apps, they have options where you buy certain features, because how else would they make their money? It's all business. But then there are also free features that are available to everyone, so you can use those free features for now until when you get to the point where okay, I want to start buying some of these features and using them for my videos. So that's it for the editing. Now I'm going to talk about your niche. So your niche is something peculiar to you, something that your content you're going to focus on. So it could be health, it could be lifestyle, it could be beauty, it could be fashion. Find a niche and focus on that niche, so people will know that okay, this is what I'm coming to get from this person. For my content, it's health, lifestyle, and Christianity. I didn't want to focus on just one thing because I want to reach a larger audience. So I decided to go for these things and try to see as much as possible how I can give out content in those areas. So the final thing I want to talk about is consistency. When you're starting up a YouTube channel, just have it in mind that it's not going to be easy. Like, you'll be discouraged, you feel like giving up at some point, but you get to your destination. Just need to be patient. YouTube is actually like a form of side hustle because YouTube actually pays. That's what most people are actually going into YouTube for. If you invest your time and money into this YouTube thing, the money you'll be earning might even be more than you going to sit down in an office 9 to 5 every day. And I forgot to add, yes, if you are a shy person and you don't want people to see your face, there are other ways that you can put out content. Like, okay, if your content now is fashion, like sewing, you can just be recording like tutorials on how to sew this, so that you don't need to put the camera on your face. You can put the camera on the content you're doing, that's the material and all that, and then you'll be doing like a voiceover, recording your voice, then putting it into the video. Or you can do like animations, putting your voice to illustrate what you are trying to say. And that's basically a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video because that will help push my video. And also, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please just click on that subscribe button. Let's support each other. Okay, bye.